but it felt like there was a woman who was asking the question, where were you when my baby died? This one's hard, sorry. And I felt like the Lord said he's home with me, and had a picture of Jesus standing at the door like in those old commercials where the wife has got the baby on the hip and is waving to the husband while he goes off to work. But Jesus was holding the baby and saying, hey, he's home. His name may have been Samuel, but the Lord is healing grief, and the verse is from the book of Samuel, which is when David said, he will not come back to you, but you will go to him. So hang on, you're almost home, and your baby's home. I don't know if I want to invite anybody first.
That's fine. If you want to come and get prayer from Sean afterward, that's fine. I know that's sensitive.
Yeah, me and Kyle will pray for you.
Almost home doesn't mean you're about to die.
Right, yeah, sorry. Almost home doesn't mean you're about to die.
David lived a long and happy life after that. Yeah.
Great clarification.
Got you.
No fear, okay, please.
Yeah.
Sean gave a word last night he called it the Hannah word, and immediately I was like, that's my name. And he said, it's for a woman that's lost a child. And then I knew, that's me. 9 years ago this March, we lost our son Titus during childbirth. And then he said, you've been asking God, God, where were you when my baby died? And that's a phrase that I prayed over and over and over again during a time of solitude this last summer. And it launched me into a season of immense healing. I went through an inner healing ministry called Empower, and I received so much healing. I believe complete healing of my grief. Normally, I would be like laid out this time of year, like just in immense pain, and I'm not. And even as he was giving the word, normally I would be like, just like in tears, and I wasn't. And I'm looking around and my friends are all crying. And I'm not crying. And so even when I was talking to them afterwards, everyone's crying and I'm not crying. And it was just a testimony. I think the Lord wanted to remind me and confirm to me that I am your healer. I have healed you as I walk into the season of March that's usually really hard for me. So yeah, I'm just a living testament to the fact that God heals us.
Thank you, Hannah.